Architectural plans, posters, panoramas, original artwork, and maps are just a few of the flat, unbound, oversized items you will encounter in archives and special collections. These items will vary in age and condition and will come in a variety of storage formats. You will find some oversized materials protected by mylar sleeves, some in archival folders or boxes, some wrapped in archival tissue, and some rolled up or flat without a protective enclosure. Additionally, the items themselves will be made of a variety of materials, such as linen, onion skin, wood pulp paper, and parchment, some of which are more fragile than others. As with all archives and special collections materials, it is important to work slowly and carefully when handling oversized items. In this tutorial, you will learn how to prepare oversized materials for researchers, how to properly handle these materials, and how to instruct researchers in proper handling techniques. When handling oversized items, remember to ensure that there is adequate table space before placing the item on a table. Oversized material should be placed on a table large enough to support the entire item. Nothing should hang over the edges of the table. There also should be room on the table for the researcher's materials, such as a notebook or a laptop. For flat, unbound, oversized items in an enclosure, staff should always remove the item from the enclosure and replace it when the researcher is done with it. Leave the item on its folder or in its container if possible to eliminate additional handling. If wrapped in tissue, carefully unfold the tissue so that the item is visible to the researcher. Unroll the item carefully and secure its edges with weights. There are a variety of styles and types of weights to choose from. Select the size and type that best suits the item. It is important to ensure that the entire edge of an item is weighted to eliminate stress. Therefore, you might use one long weight or several shorter weights to accomplish this. Instruct the researcher to leave the weights in place. When a researcher is finished with the item, a staff person will remove the weights and re-roll the item. When unrolling an item in a poly sleeve, ensure that both the sleeve and the item are weighted to ensure that the item does not start to curl up within the sleeve.